This all started 7 months ago when I uploaded a snowball farm. It produced 9,300 snowballs per hour. I forgot this video existed until one day I decided to improve the design. Like a normal YouTuber, I uploaded the tutorial of my improved design. Using just one singular snowman, I milked 25,000 balls in 1 hour. I thought that was going to be the end of it. But the next day, my friend Oakley Paws sent me this. It's a snow farm that produces 32,703 balls per hour. I had to show him up. So I used a faster clock and an improved design. This is what it looks like. But there was a problem. The iron bars prevented snow from being created while the pistons were extended, meaning that this farm was only half as efficient as it could be. So I pushed up the iron bars and added hoppers on the bottom to improve the collection system. Suddenly I had a very fast farm, but there was a problem. You see, when hoppers move, they can't pick up items, and because these hoppers were constantly moving, they picked up about 1 item per second, effectively rendering the farm useless. With this knowledge, I combined hoppers and hopper minecarts. And with this single farm, you get 36,000 snowballs per hour, all from one snowman. But that's not good enough. I want more, so I combined 7 of these farms, and together it makes 233,000 snowballs per hour, which is 64 per second. Unfortunately, you do lose a lot of ballage from lag. In theory, a NASA PC should be able to produce 252,000 balls per second. Anyways, here is the tutorial.